Hi, and welcome to another episode of Project HZ Twin Turbo Holden Ute. Today, I'll be plumbing up the wastegates, but first things first, I need to connect the hose from my thermostat to my water pump. So let's get into it. The hose I was using was this one, and the part number is CH736. Alright, straight to the blow off valve. So I'm plumbing it straight up into this little screw hole here using a vacuum tree. So the part number is KC118, or you can get a plastic one, which is a cheaper option, and the part number is FVA003. So first things first, screw it on and you run your blow-off valve hose straight from the blow-off valve into your intake manifold. All right, let's get into it. Alright, let's start plumbing up the wastegate. So first things first, what I'm going to do is run a vacuum hose from one wastegate to the other, like that, feeding it through. So now where I've got my length, I'm going to cut it in half and add a T-piece to it. Once you've added your T-piece, you get your boost controller, and on the other end of the T, where it's pointing to the wastegate, you plumb that side up to the T, just like that. And find your length and cut it to size. Now on the other side of the boost controller, you add one turbo to it, and the other one will be a vent, just like that, and plumb it to the other side of the boost controller. So now you add your top hose to the wastegates, and from there you'll cut a T again, and you add another T from your turbo to where the boost controller is, and you connect those two together. So now your second turbo will just be your vent side. So add a hose and let it vent out. Okay, so that's how you plumb up your wastegates to your manual boost controller. I know there's vacuum hoses going everywhere, but it doesn't matter what it looks like under the bonnet. It matters how fast it goes. Anyway, next thing I need to plumb up is this oil pressure. I need to find a spot in the oil pump to hook it up. So if you get one of these T-pieces, you can hook your gauge up and your light on. So let's get into it. So I've ran into a bit of an issue with fuel. I need to remove all these old hoses, the whole old steel piping going underneath, and I also need a return going from here to my fuel tank, because the original fuel tank doesn't have a return. So I actually need to remove this fuel tank, put one in, remove everything that's old, and yeah, hopefully have it started by the next episode with new fuel lines. Look how rusted all they are. So till then, I'm going to start removing all the stuff, and here's some future projects that you might be interested. This ED Falcon 94. Tell me what you think. Do you want to see this with a turbo on it? You know, so immaculate. It's a 4.0 single overhead cam, immaculate interior. You know, maybe we can put a little bit of a turbo on the side there. Or I got a mopar just sitting up under covers. If you want to see a mopar get done up, just get it running. But till then, hit that subscribe button, share with your friends, give us a thumbs up. You know, it gets me more motivated to make more video for you guys. You know, the more I see yous like it, the more I'll make more videos. Till then, catch ya!